Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, good morning. I'm still a little sleepy. Yeah, I'm now near to my workplace and my duty today is 6 o'clock and we'll be finished at 2 o'clock in the afternoon later. Yeah, I'll be doing breakfast today as usual. Since June, I have been working breakfast. Breakfast is good because yeah, you keeps on working during breakfast. Yeah, you keep on doing things so you don't realize that the time is running and it's time to go home again. Yo, good afternoon guys. Yeah, we are going home now. Yeah, it's already 2:15 when I sign out. Yeah, a nice weather today. There is no sign of going to rain compared to yesterday. Yesterday it was like that and then slowly getting dark and there was a rain from time to time. Yeah, but I still managed to go out yesterday. Yeah, it's low tide now. You see, this morning it was high tide and the water's reaching that far. Now it's on that side. Yeah, nice today. Okay, we go. Darling, do you feel my heart beating? Do you understand? Do you feel the same? And my only... Oh, nice. That car is nice looking. The color and the design. Oh, look at this. There's one nice looking motorcycle here. Yeah, it's Triumph. Nice looking, really. We're going to stop here to do some pull-ups. Oh, look at that. It's suddenly become a little dark because there is clouds in there that is black. Looks like it's going to rain now. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. And the sun again is showing. Yeah, the weather is playing with me. Even if it is more than a month that the bird is not attacking me anymore, I am still aware. Yeah, because maybe the bird is finding the best way to attack me. Ah, really?
Yes.
Yeah, he's very familiar with he's commenting in my video. I saw it.
Yeah. And he said to me, if you ever see him, say hello.
It's good to see you.
Oh, I hope I've got my phone.
Awesome. Amazing. Yeah, so I was vlogging and then oh, Robbie, my son is watching you in Belfast, she said. And I remember it's Mitch. Oh, look at that. It is a natural creation by the flow of the water. Nice looking. Yeah, thank you to the mom of Mitch. I really appreciate that. Yeah, she recognized me. Also, thank you also to you, Mitch, for sharing my video to your mom. I really appreciate. I already took one tomato. I am shy to take video on that side, so I took it already. And this is $4.90. It's 5 pieces. Yeah, this onion, this is just $2. We're going to take one of this cabbage. Maybe this is the $1.50 or this one. Oh, look at this. In here there are so many different kind of milk. There is coconut milk, there is rice milk, there is soy milk, the usual milk, almond milk. Yeah, we're going to take this, the cheapest, 160, and it's soy milk. Oh, the jasmine rice is discounted. Regular price is $16, now it's just $10, 5 kilo. And home brand, this $12.50, 5 kilo. So yeah, we take this one, but I don't have space on my backpack. It's okay, I will make space. Everything is in my backpack except for this soy milk. It's not fit anymore. And I'm going to put it in the bike. If I am not mistaken, this one is free to take. I don't need that. And if you look in here, there are many jacaranda trees. Yeah, if you are using drone in this area, you're going to notice that violet flowers around. Okay, yeah, I just got home and I started to prepare my to cook my meal. Yeah, and I would like again to say thank you to the mom of Mitch. Yeah, Mitch is the guy locally from here in Australia, here in Nelson Bay, but he is now living in Ireland. Yeah, and I was biking along the way. His mom so recognized me and acknowledged me. Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate. So the time now is 3:30, and I'm glad that I bought this 5 kg of rice. Yeah. Next time I am going to buy the other brand of rice, the one that you suggested. I just took it because this one is sale. Yeah. I just eat apple. And it is boiling now. And this is very useful, very common in the Philippines. This is really delicious. That's why I'm going to take another one. I'm going to leave some more. Maybe I will be hungry tonight. Yeah, outside this is still good, still sunny, but it's already 6 o'clock. And yeah, I'm going to continue editing the video while watching the news. You had some America. Whoa, whoa, yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, the time now is 2 or maybe 2:20. Oh, I forgot if I sign out or yeah, I forgot if I sign out or no. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, so yeah, at the moment it's just like this. The water is very calm. There are some people, they are playing on that side, and there's a couple, they are fishing, and there's one guy in there. He's also fishing. Nice. And there are few people that are sailing. No, boat. Okay, we go. Okay, today we're going to try to do 15 continuous pull-ups. Good afternoon. I can't do 15 continuous, but we will try another 5. Say, I never wanna hear you say I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing gonna party. We're going first to have a look in the Marina area. Yeah, this is how it is here. Quiet. There are some people, but it feels really quiet in here. Yeah, okay, we go to that side. I will say right, there's nowhere to run. I'll be the one. I'll be that light. I'll be the one. Good.
We watch your YouTube video.
Really? Thank you. Yo, I meet Mr. Michael and Evie.
Hello, we are fans of Roberto. We've watched his videos before. Good stuff.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Michael and the wife. I really appreciate that they greet me. I'll show you the water. It's really clear and beautiful. I believe it's very cold. Yeah, it's cold. I'm thinking of swimming a little bit, but yeah, it's cold. No need. No need. Oh, it's really good. I had conversation with Mr. Michael and Abby. Yeah, thank you, Mr. Michael and Mrs. Abby. I really appreciate your greetings, acknowledging me. Yeah, beautiful weather today, but less people because it's weekdays, so most people are at work. But for sure in the afternoon there will be more people walking around here. It is a little hot if you are under the sun, but once you get in the covered area like this, it's cold. I don't feel like going home yet, but I don't know actually. I'll be the one, I'll be the one when I'm on the side. Oh, I will show you. Look at this. This is very affordable. $5. Yeah, nice. Okay, so I went inside the post office and I bought this, but I think I made a mistake. Yeah, it looks like this one is long. I don't know, I hope this one is not too long. Yeah, I'm going to use this to power up my GoPro. This is $20 and it's 10,000 milliampere hour.